We're hearing from the mother and one of the boys last night who was injured by a lightning strike. Remember, we told you about this during last night's storms in a Fort Worth neighborhood.
Yeah, lots going on yesterday. Karen Borda is joining us in studio to give us the backstory. So what are you hearing from this mom?
Well, Doug and Nicole, the mom and the doctors at Cook Children's in Fort Worth agree everyone here is very lucky. The boys, 13-year-old Jaden Alvarado and 7-year-old Isaac Martinez, are in ICU at Cook Children's. Jessica Martinez Alvarado says her sons were playing outside yesterday in their South Fort Worth neighborhood when lightning struck a nearby tree and the boys were indirectly shocked. She describes that moment.
We just heard a big old pop sound. And then it looked like fireworks were coming down the tree. And I just remember turning around, seeing my boys on the floor after all the fireworks stopped, and trying to run to them, and I just couldn't make it to them.
Both boys were unconscious. Doctors say Jaden's heart stopped, but they were able to revive him.
Sixth grade. I remember me and Isaac were roughhousing, and then it went black. I woke up in an ambulance, and I guess I fell asleep, and I woke up here. Pretty good. Apparently I died last night and came back to life.
I thought I had lost my boys, honestly. It's the worst feeling you can ever.
Mom? It's okay.
I don't wish that on anyone. To literally see your boys there laying there lifeless, not moving.
Some advice from Martinez Alvarado for all parents: anytime you hear thunder, be aware, because she doesn't want anyone else to go through what she and her sons have. The boys are still in the hospital, but doctors are optimistic about their recovery.